Hi, I'm CC. CrownCAD provides multiple ways to launch commands, helping you quickly find and use the features you need. Let's take chamfer as an example to illustrate some tips. Method 1. Click directly in the toolbar. Locate the chamfer button in the top toolbar and click to launch it. Method 2. Use command search. Quickly find the command by typing chamfer in the command search field. Method 3. Add the chamfer command to the shortcut toolbar. After adding it, press the S key in the graphics area to bring up the shortcut toolbar and easily select it. Method 4. Assign a keyboard shortcut. For example, set the chamfer shortcut to Shift plus F2 for one key access. Method 5. Assign to mouse gestures. After dragging the chamfer command to the gesture wheel, hold the right mouse button and drag in the drawing area to quickly select it. Method 6. Use recent commands list. If you just used chamfer, find it in the recent commands section of the right-click context menu and select it. Method 7. Repeat the last command. If your last command was chamfer, simply press enter to repeat it. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.